print the n sequence numbers. That is, the limit will be entered by the user. So what we are doing, that we'll ask the user to enter the limit. Obviously we'll be making use of input method, and we know that the value entered by input will be in the string format. So this input is nested inside this int method, which will do typecasting. It will convert the string into the integer format, and the value after converted into integer format will be assigned to this limit variable. Suppose the user enters the limit as 10. 10 will be assigned to this limit variable. For loop is there. Range method will go from 1 to limit plus 1. See, in this range, the right hand side portion is exclusive. That means it is never included. The range will terminate on reaching this value. Okay. We want the loop to run up till 10. So we are entering the limit plus 1, that is 11. So that the for loop will terminate at the value 11. So it will run up till 10. Okay. So this plus 1 is very essential. Okay. The loop will go from 1 to 11. The value of I will be 1, 2 up till 10. Let's run this, copy it, paste it here, and let's run this. We're asking you to enter the limit. Suppose I enter the limit as 10. See, the limit has gone from 1 to 10. If I run it again, suppose I enter the limit as 500. See, this is the sequence number from 1 to up till 500. Okay.